sinungaling sinasabi niya, I suspect is what is being fed to him. At besides the fact na talagang tanga siya, dahil katagalan na ng droga niya na yan, nagmumukha pa talaga siyang lalong tanga at kaawa-awa, 'di ba? So, yun yung worrisome, the trust of the people in the government. No, so what will happen next, 'di ba? And it's a government that doesn't seem to be interested in winning the trust of the people. When I say government, of course, what I mean is Marcos, Tambaloslos, no, the congressmen, because I still believe no that the vast majority of public servants are hurting. Because you go into public service, a lot of them there go into public service because may puso talaga na magsilbi. And I've seen it, no? I saw it when I was at the DSWD, when I was at the PCO, etc. And when the various agencies that I worked with, but it was under the leadership of PRRD, no? So, ibang-iba talaga ngayon. Parang nightmare, parang freak show ang Marcos. Kasi nga, si Marcos mismo ay isang freak show, no?